Hello, welcome to Health Advice TV. Did you know ABC juice? Don't worry, we'll let you know about this magical juice. ABC juice is a healthy and nutrient-rich drink made from apples, beetroots, and carrots. Here's how you can make it. Take one apple, any variety, but red apples are often preferred for sweetness. Now, we need one medium-sized beetroot and 2 medium-sized carrots. A small piece of ginger or lemon juice is optional. Add water if needed for consistency. Now, wash the apple, beetroot, and carrots thoroughly under running water. Peel the beetroot and carrots. You can also peel the apple if desired, but leaving the skin on is fine for extra fiber. Chop the apple, beetroot, and carrots into smaller pieces to make blending easier. Add the chopped apple, beetroot, carrots, or ginger to a blender. Blend until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add a little water to achieve your desired consistency. Pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to remove the pulp, if you prefer a smoother juice. Squeeze a little fresh lemon juice into the strained juice for a refreshing twist. Pour the juice into a glass and serve immediately to enjoy its full nutritional benefits. Tips: if you prefer a sweeter juice, add a bit of honey or a natural sweetener. Drinking this juice on an empty stomach in the morning maximizes nutrient absorption. This juice is also recommended for obese peoples. Excellent juice for weight loss. This juice also benefits skin, makes your skin look younger and healthier. ABC juice is known for its detoxifying properties and is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time on Health Advice TV.